Welcome back. In this video, we want to calculate the expression 8 divided by 2 times 1/2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First, let's look at how many people solve this incorrectly. They see the 2 in 8 divided by 2 and the 2 in the denominator of 1/2, and they cancel both of them out. This leaves 8 divided by 1, giving them an answer of 8. But this answer is not correct. You cannot cancel factors across the division sign like that. Skipping division to cancel across multiplication breaks the order of operations. So now let's solve it the correct way. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we must work strictly from left to right as they appear. First, handle the division on the left. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Now we have 4 times 1 over 2. 4 times 1 over 2 can be written as 4 over 2, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So our final answer to this problem is 2.